Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Recently I've been asked a couple of times how to use unreleased Swift features. Especially since my last video about property delegates, a feature that it's not even not released, but it's not even merged on master. So in this video I want to show you quickly how you can use these features thanks to the downloadable toolchains. Let's get started. The first thing that you will need to know is from where to get the toolchains. The toolchains you can get them in mainly two ways. First, you can go to swift.org on the downloads page, and here you have the main releases of Swift. You have the official Swift 5 release, which you basically don't need because Xcode already comes with it, so you just need to get the new version of Xcode for that. But if you are interested, I guess you can still use the old toolchains for it. The most important part is this snapshots section. These are toolchains that come compiled from the trunk development. So basically the master branch of Swift, not a specific version branch, but directly the master branch where the developers are merging stuff constantly. When you pick a toolchain, there are basically four ways to download it. You have like the three officially supported operative systems apart from macOS, and then you have the interesting one for the majority of us, which is the one for macOS that you can use with Xcode. If you download these, and you will see that they are, well, less than half a gigabyte of space. It takes a little bit to download, but it's not that bad. This is one way of downloading it. The other way, which is sometimes more interesting, is in some proposals, like the before mentioned property delegates, you have one section here that is implementation. This is because Swift Evolution requires to have an implementation for any proposal, so people can try it and the community can make sure that the proposal is actually feasible. This means that for us, we can come here and also download the toolchain. And if you keep an eye on the forums, usually if there are changes on the toolchain with improvements or some feedback that has been gathered during the pitch or the proposal reviews, you can also get a new updated toolchains, so we can download this. Once you have the toolchain downloaded, you can proceed to install it in the proper place. As you can see, the main toolchain as a snapshot that we have downloaded from swift.org comes as a package, while the other one is just a compressed archive. If you run the package installation, this has like a small installation process that you don't even have to know exactly where it needs to install it. It will just gonna do it for you. It takes a little bit to move all the files in there, but it's not a big of a deal. And it's nice because you don't even have to know and touch anything yourself manually. The second toolchain that we have here comes directly from a branch, from a pull request that it's still not yet merged. It's the one from the property delegates. So in this case, we can just expand it manually. And as you can see, the result folder even tells you a little bit where you need to install it. So what you can do to install this one is just copy it and go to your home folder library developer. And here you can create a toolchains folder, and then you can just paste here the toolchain. With this done, you can open Xcode, and if you take a look at the menu here, you will have this new menu, toolchains, that will allow you to change between all the toolchains that you have installed and the official that comes with your current version of Xcode. To show you that this works, let's open the project from my previous video about the property delegates, and as you can see, Xcode already is complaining because it doesn't know what this attribute is about. And this is because we are using the official toolchain that comes from Xcode. But if we go on the toolchains menu and we change it for the pull request one, which is the one that introduces this change to Swift, you can see that the build succeeds, and if we run it to prove that it actually works, we can see that it actually does. So there you have it, a short video, a short tutorial on how to download and install custom toolchains to try unreleased Swift features. I recommend you to keep an eye on this because it's really interesting when on Swift Evolution somebody is proposing a new change and you want to try it before saying if you like it or not. Maybe sometimes it's not super clear what the impact is going to be, so it's really important that as a community we try these things before saying yes or no, because once they are accepted, they are in the language pretty much forever. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and keep an eye for more videos about Swift.